So today we will start with lesson 6, fractions. This is for the third weekly. So all of you will open a new page in your maths notebook. First write the date, then write lesson 6, fractions. Question 1, write the fractions of the shaded part. So now everybody knows that fractions are divided into equal parts. So here you can see the circles, and the circles have been divided into equal parts, and some parts are shaded and some parts are not shaded. So now we have to write the fraction of the part that is shaded. So example, in number 1, you can see that this circle is divided into two equal parts. So now one part is shaded. So what we will write as the answer? So the answer is 1 upon 2, or it can also be called half, or you can write half. Now number 2, over here this circle is divided into 4 equal parts, and which part is shaded? Only one part is shaded. So here you will write 1 divided by 4, 1 upon 4, or 1/4. Then over here, so now over here let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this circle is divided into 8 parts, and how many parts are shaded? Only one part is shaded. So we will write 1 upon 8 or 1/8. Now over here, this circle is divided into 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3, and here 2 parts are shaded. So here we will write 2/3 or 2/3. Now over here, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So over here, how many parts are shaded? Only one part is shaded. So we will write over here 1 upon 6 or 1/6. Here again, it's divided into 4 equal parts, and how many parts are shaded? 1, 2 and 3. So we'll write 3/4 or we'll write 3/4. Number 7, here again the circle is divided into 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3. So the answer is 1/3. Now over here, number 8, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many parts are shaded? 1, 2 and 3. So we will write over here 3/6 or 3/6. Now this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here you will write 4 upon 8 or 4/8. Now the last one, let's count the parts over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many parts are shaded over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is 6/8 or 6/8. So all of you remember here the question was that we have to write the fraction of the shaded part. So we have written the fractions of the shaded part. So start doing this in your notebook.